How to unblock payments on Cash App. So if you happen to block a certain payment within Cash App and then you want to unblock that payment, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you want to simply launch Cash App. Now if you have blocked a certain person or a payment from somebody, then what you can do is tap on the activity icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the activity tab, you can simply find the profile of the person you want to unblock in your transaction history and tap on unblock at the bottom of the profile page. Essentially, you are just reversing the blocking action you previously took on that user. You can also search for that particular transaction if you're not finding. Now, unfortunately, Cash App does not give us the list of people that we have blocked, so you have to find that person from your activity history and manually unblock it. So these are the ways that you can unblock payments on Cash App. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.